We just did 270 orders. This is the last one. That giant stuff. The last package. Yes. Good job.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Scrunchies. This is the Avery. I think there's like 54. I have to recount them. And then yeah, see there's more Tidra up here. Ashley's also coming to get a bin later, so I have to make a bunch of scrunchies for her to Elastic to pick up later, just to keep the flow of things always going. So this is the ribbon right now that I'm sewing. Ribbon freshly cut by mom last night. Fabric tags, threads, my Crocs. Okay.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead,
Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm.
In the site to add the new product, so I did that. So adjusted, make available on Facebook shop. I didn't count the inventories yet. I removed standard shipping because we do that for launch days to make it easier for our shipping team. Oh my god, I have to schedule the email that goes out to everyone that tells everyone that it's available. Change collection image, did it. Create Insta stories to post in sequence, done. So let me show you what I did. I have to set up the packaging area for Tori and Ashley. So I did this last week so they can package alone. All the bags are labeled. Soon all this plastic will not be here. I'm replacing it with paper bags. I have some paper bags already. Yeah, I add these little labels so if someone gets 4 to 5 XXL scrunchies, then Tori would grab this, put it here, grab the scrunchie. Everything's labeled, so she'll just read the packing slip and then package. But yeah, everything is labeled for her. You guys can see. I have so many right now, but soon we're only gonna have like 3 size envelopes to make it easier with our custom design. I'm so excited to do the day before, which is today. The day of, I need to password protect the site, adjust the homepage slideshow, which is this. I'll show you, I'll just pop it up here. Adjust the homepage photo. Adjust the footer promotions because we have new product. Adjust homepage collections again. Add what's needed to the navigation bar, so I have to add like add St. Patrick's collection to the navigation bar so people can click on it. And then at the time of launch, which is at noon on the 27th of February at 12 p.m. EST, I have to remove the password so people can shop, post all those stories on my Instagram, post the TikTok I have prepared as well, and I should probably post a reel. And yeah, make the products available, but they automatically become available at noon anyway. And then after that, once we launch, I can just chill and keep an eye on my emails to see if anyone needs help with their orders. Day of launch, we've had 239 orders today. Oh my god. This is how many of you are on the site, and this is how many people are on right now, which is kind of cool to look. The day after launch day. Ashley just ripped all the packing slips.
This is a tea.
Won't you take me home? Give me wings to fly. We can
That's it.
Oh my gosh. I've never seen one so big. I guess because we never stacked them like that. Whoa, I feel like I've been packaging so long. I don't even know where anything is.
Only when the camera comes out I can't do basic human functions.
Same. These are all the names, packing slips, deliveries. Look at that giant stuff. And the scrunchies. Ellen, Leia, Sina, Veronica, Tall Holder, Gabriella.
Hi, how are you? Always.
I was just like holding it up. I was
I
like,
think
ooh.
there's more.
Alfredo. Okay, I only got one of each. Let's put it in a paper bag. Cindy's stamping all of these too.
Oh, she is?
Yeah,
Perfect.
there's like 3,000 bags for her to stamp. Got to fluff them out a little. Will you sticker it for the shot? They got a pin! Yes! I put them in these little envelopes. Hi, Dad. Hi, Dad.
Hello, how you doing? Your friend doing a good job.
We barely made a dent, but that's okay.
Got all day.
It looks so cute.
Lose it all and we'll be free. Yeah. We'll lose it all.
We just did 270 orders. This is the last one. We just did so many. Thank you, Yulia. I almost fell. The last package. Good job. I'm so happy. Sit down.
Ồ, anh nhiều quá.
Yeah. Get a scrunchie holder. Mai làm được. Yay. Ba organize hả?
Mèo bớt bây giờ còn mà để mai mèo nữa.
Ok.
Nhiều quá.
I don't care if people see. Oh, go ahead and judge me.
It's now 2:47. Ashley left at like 2:15. And now I'm super tired. I'm gonna finally eat breakfast. And yes, that was before, during, and after a big collection launch. Hope you guys liked it. Yeah, and I can't wait till all of you get your order. Thanks so much. Bye, XXL fam.
See, both of us cool. Look. That could be the intro. Oh my god.
And check it out, my mom found more of the Valley fabric, so by the time you're seeing this video, the Valley scrunchie, I'll pop it up right here. It might be restocked again, so yeah, I'm excited. Mom, love her. She actually picked out this fabric originally, so it makes sense that she would find it again. Also, I have a hair mask on right now, like the Olaplex one. Thanks, Tori, for showing me. Yeah, so hair mask and right names now. So